Okay, I have a 99 Yukon Denali, wipers stuck on high. So, came up with a solution. When it's stuck on high, it's the pulse board. The motor and everything works, it's just stuck on high. So I took the pulse board off, and the diode burned off, broke off of the pulse board from right here. So now we need to get another pulse board and put on there to see if everything will be fixed. But it should be, because I did these a couple of times before. Every time they get stuck like that and I take it off, that diode for some reason always burns or cracks or breaks or deteriorates. So now I'm about to go and get these parts, and then I got to check out the suspension and see what's going on with that, and then I'll come back to you. Thank you.